she flies. A true
This is our YouTube channel, and we're gonna make a Play-Doh.
Alright, so we're gonna make Play-Doh. We have all of our ingredients. Welcome to our vlog.
Yeah.
We got the poopers. All the poopers.
What poopers missing?
Alright, let's do this.
You're gonna be using your hands, so.
We're gonna use our
Then I'm
hands.
gonna take out my bracelet and put
You said use our hands.
Here, dump it in. All of it.
And then mine.
Let's see.
And then Amaya. And then you.
It's so fluffy.
Dip it.
Do you want paper?
Ah!
What?
The flour.
One more.
Ooh, sticky fingers.
Did you put mine in over?
No.
Oh,
Don't
do
get
that. Why was down my eyes? It's so fuzzy though. It's so fuzzy, guys.
Thanks.
I can't stop feeling it.
It feels like clay.
It feels soft.
Right,
It feels
Oh,
like
Tori, your flour.
Tori, stop. Right? All of it stuck good right there.
It's not fuzzy
I should
anymore.
like cherry. My fuzzy knee.
Oh, it's so fuzzy. It looks like
Far
cauliflower.
away.
Mom, it looks like I'm mixing cauliflower. It's cauliflower. This actually feels like cauliflower.
It feels so fuzzy.
It is the fuzziest thing I ever felt ever.
Mix,
Not
mix,
like
mix.
peanut
Let's
butter.
get our hands in
You're
there.
gonna use your hands.
Oh,
You can use
fingers.
your hands if you want. If you want to
Fingers.
use your hands. Some people don't like it.
Sleeves up.
That's one of my sleeves.
Okay, wait. Show the camera. Hold the vloggers. I gotta roll up her sleeves.
It feels like Apollo. No, it doesn't.
It feels like a rabbit.
No, it so doesn't.
But
Mom, do you
kind of
feel it?
salty.
Mom, do you feel it? Actually making cake. I swear. We're making
You're not making.
ice cream and cake.
Okay, well, that one.
Oh, I wrecked my fluffy. Fluffy.
Don't make faces at the vlog.
Why not?
I don't want to see you make faces at them.
Ew, it looks like Eggo.
It actually is Eggo right now. Can I start mixing?
Not yet.
We're putting oil. Ew.
It
It
smells
wrecked my
so
fluffy.
It smells so gross now.
Can we start mixing?
We need water.
You need some water.
And then we start mixing?
You need.
We need some water.
How much tablespoons? How much spoons? One or two? One or two?
Here.
Ice cream and cake.
Only one?
Here comes yours.
Yeah, only one.
Yep.
Can I start mixing?
Start mixing that up.
I need my water. Good.
Smells good.
It feels like I'm mixing a cake.
Mix.
Mama, turn it into cake. Come
Maybe
on,
my
water. It's turning into cake, Mom. Look. Mom, it's turning into cake.
Mix it. It's gonna get really thick. You'll probably want your hands.
Mine's turning into cake.
And
Mine looks like oatmeal.
no, it looks like that wood stuff. I don't know what it's called.
Mine doesn't look like poulet. Mine looks like oatmeal.
Is it sticky?
Mine looks like oatmeal, Mom.
Okay, what color did you want?
Blue.
I want it purple. I want it pink.
Alright, do
Mom wants pink. I want purple. Zay wants green. Tori wants.
Start mixing.
You have to use your hands. It's gonna get really thick.
Oh, your fingers are just so sticky.
Scrape it off and put it in the corner. Hey, what color do you want to say? Green?
I'm not done yet.
I know, but you can mix it with everything. Green?
It's so hot.
I think I need more blue.
Warm.
I think I need more blue.
Just keep going. It'll. Don't put your fingers right in there. Mix that up.
I think I
Oh my cake.
What do we got going on?
Let's hard.
It's just a hot mess, Mom.
Here, I want to squish lots. I can add more color at the end to squish
Look,
through.
these are super goopy.
Gotta get it all like
Cookie.
squished together. See, it's gonna start to form.
No, it doesn't form.
Look at it. You just gotta.
I have like barely one.
I'm gonna add their color and then I'll come around and
Mom,
help, okay?
this
Feels
isn't like any
Sticky
It all
stuff. It
mixed
feels
up.
like real slimy.
Am I,
Oh, mine's actually Play-Doh now. Mine's like Play-Doh consistency.
okay, watch you.
Mine is not
I'm
Play-Doh.
gonna add
Mine's
your
Play-Doh.
color in,
Okay.
okay? Watch your fingers.
so warm. There isn't like any green in mine.
No, I just don't want you to touch straight onto the color.
That's what I did.
You make the bed and I
Okay, start squishing really fast.
Why is it so hard? It's
really good.
thick, boy. I need to get some more of
You
this.
and Red's gonna make purple.
Okay, I'm not making purple.
Just wait.
I need a bit more paper.
Yeah, we will add
my
more.
hands.
Get this started.
It feels so weird.
Mine is not anything, Zane.
You might have to add more water, you might have to add more flour, it says. You gotta get it all mixed, Tori. The feeling you're gonna have to get it. More for you, water.
Black. I got it started in black.
I'm gonna make black on the channel.
Full black.
Well, we're all doing F4 too.
And an earth for.
We'll go blast in my
Whoa,
Don't
what's
hurt
this?
Oh,
What's
you
that
have to
Mom's
blast.
got going on there?
This thing was-
But you hurt people, no.
I could even shoot the door. Like if the door's behind them.
His is so
Or I
green.
could just like pull the trigger on their head and they won't know. I won't pull the trigger on their head. I just click it.
Did you get it all mixed?
I think so.
I'm just trying.
It's like the perfect thing to do on a crappy day here in Canada. For the people that live somewhere warm, enjoy. This is how we're spending our day. Hello, neighbors. Hello, neighbors. Hey, Duke. Say hi. Don't run away. Come back, buddy. No? It's not having it, eh?
Mama. No, wait. I don't
Say what's
have
up.
to say, Mama.
What's up?
Hi to the
Welcome to the channel. I'm Duke.
I
You'll see more of me later.
To get all the color.
can't get it every time.
I know, I'm
Mushy,
gonna
mushy, mushy.
and it'll eventually.
Mushy.
Like, I'm gonna have you.
Okay. Wait. Just gotta put the hood on. Now he's an actual sloth.
There's a sloth on my shirt.
Oh, there is a sloth on our shirt. Let's see. Oh, there is. I can see it. Oh, your paws are in the vlog.
I am done
Say Paw Patrol. Where?
trying to squish everybody's together.
Oh, Piper's got Paw Patrol. See that? Hey, you gonna say hi? Say hi. Hi, I'm Piper.
Hi.
I'm Zaylana. I'm Amaya. Squishy stuff. Oh, you need more color. You need more color. Squish.
But Tori doesn't.
That's super green.
Ew.
We can make slime on the
Excuse
channel.
me.
We could do slime
You
all
must.
day, we could-
Excuse me,
Didn't
ma'am.
we make a slime video?
Yeah, I think no.
We never posted it.
I don't know. We'll have to find it.
Color ladies, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Those impatient ladies. Ooh, look at your
Wait.
fingers.
Dad, wait, I need a more.
Like I said, I'm going to get your hands completely colored.
Well, we'll see what happens,
Add a
editor.
great amount of moisture, and then
Executive
I'll bring it back
editor in
to the-
chief. Here, I'll pop a squat right here.
Let's pour stuff for him.
I don't know. I don't think the vlog wants to see my mixing abilities. This is
Your what?
Tori's dough. My mixing abilities. She wanted me to mix Tori's dough. This is Tori's dough. It's very doughy. Very doughy.
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe. What? Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe because
Like
we're
and subscribe.
so cool.
'Cause we're-
Shout-outs at the end.
No, we
And
have
Piper does
shout-outs.
shout outs at the end. What?
Until
The vlog doesn't like your
Here,
attitude
kiddo.
right
We
now.
I just need
can't
to
give
pick
them
up a little
time
more
to comment because now
flour
we have
for
to
you.
add.
Do we like Zaylana's attitude right now?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yes.
See, they're
We
shaking.
love my attitude.
Spicy. Whoa.
Here you go.
Okay, I got it.
Yellow mixed together. Mix.
Red and yellow.
This is a messy.
Maybe on like another episode, you guys can meet Apollo.
Yes, my rabbit.
Apollo. Apollo's.
I have a good episode one day, you guys.
Apollo?
No.
For what? What's happening?
Okay, whisper it to me.
We can build a
Whisper. Why are we whispering?
Orbeez.
Yes!
With Orbeez?
Yeah, we filled our bathtub with Orbeez.
Bathtub full of Orbeez.
Apollo in the
Here's Duke up here. Come here.
Great.
Hollow in the Orbeez bag.
We're gonna put Apollo in there. What?
Hey.
Hey,
Duke, I'm gonna met him
where'd he
today.
go?
A weird purple girl.
But I
Let's
guess
see her
not.
purple hair comes.
Because Mr. Dookie likes to kill rabbits. So yeah.
Yeah, we can't put them in the same room together. But yeah, I got like 4
Will you move
packets
your
of
oil so we can see what you're mixing? There we go.
We could-
Who's that? Is that Piper's? Ooh.
papers.
It looks more like a darker blue.
Yeah. It's
I like it. It's unique.
It looks like maybe like ocean kind of blue, but it's dark. If it was brighter, then maybe.
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
Did you not get enough sleep?
Sloths never get enough sleep.
Sloths never get enough sleep.
Today we go make Play-Doh.
Okay.
We are making Play-Doh.
So strict.
Is mine
What?
done?
Yeah, I don't think I can get it any softer.
Okay.
For whatever reason.
I just don't play.
Whoa. Did you use a rolling pin?
No.
That's really flat.
I
have to
better
take
get a
turns,
turn.
okay?
If I don't get a turn, then I won't be your enemy. I will not be your enemy.
And then we have all these guys.
What is that?
I think we need some powder on here because it's gonna stick.
It's not
I
gonna stick,
need
it's
my
Play-Doh.
rolling pin.
It's not cake dough. It's okay.
Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll,
Stuff
roll
away.
your dough.
I will use my head as a rolling pin.
Zay's decided to use her head, everyone. Never a dull moment at our place. Never.
It's
Ow, that hurts.
hollow top. It's
You might have heard them call me Zaylana, but my real name is Billy Bob.
All right, Billy Bob.
Bob here.
You seem so focused on
Then
that.
we have the
Roll, roll, roll,
bush.
roll, roll, roll.
Toy bush.
No, it should be Tori. It should be.
Toy.
It should be Joe.
Joey.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Joey.
From Mexico.
There you go.
Picking up a lot of dough here.
I'm using my head then now.
Zay is using her head.
Just peel it off.
Yep,
There you go.
yep, that just happened. Zay used her head. Yep. Everyone's seeing this. They're all seeing you use your head.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna make, but there's lots of shapes.
All right, we got lots of shapes.
I don't know.
Bro, hurry up.
What are you gonna start with?
My God. No need to take that off.
Oh, she's sharing.
Finally, I can stop using my head.
Oh,
Push hard.
Zay has stopped using her head. There you go. Put your arms into it. Arms
Get up on your knees and use your
Yeah, a little body weight, some arms.
Look at this ducky.
And these ladies are at shapes. What do you got there?
Hey, duck.
A duck.
quack, quack. And what do you got? You got some shapes, okay? You just gotta.
Now I need a flower. Then put it in the cup.
way she flies.